Where we left off, this is we're finishing looking at the non-magnetic jewelry. Some is sterling, some is gold, some is not, some is marked, some is not, some is just some brass, and things we need to check out and test. These are very good quality, very well made, beautiful earrings. But I cannot find any sort of mark on them. Either way, I really like them. Very nice, very good quality earrings. This, I believe, is just a little single blue sterling earring. And I can't quite tell right now if the post is marked or not, but this one, well, the post on that is also gold, but that does not mean anything. The back is marked 585. I think we found some gold, my friends. 585. You tell me. That is interesting. Very interesting. We shall definitely have to test that. No more marked stuff. This is really, really cool though. It's two people, a two-person intaglio, where it's like carved in and not on the outside. Let's open this so you can kind of see the light through the back a little more. It is very old. I don't know if it's as old as it's like being made to look, if that makes sense. There's vintage stuff they made to look antique. So, that is the question. It's still very cool. All non-magnetic, so is this one. But I can see silver coming through that. So this ain't gold. I mean, it could be plated, but it's not gold. And it's missing a pearl. The pearl is real. Whoops. The pearl's real. But yeah. The rest is not. Did we look at this? Not marked, and it's missing a stone. Just a little band, 1, 2 stones. Yep. This one, not marked, but it's light and it's one of those where it's hollow. So we're testing because it's non-magnetic and hollow. A tester, a little guardian angel, and this one I will test. It's really sparkly and really pretty. And that, these I set aside, are non-magnetic. Again, it's like they put things, it's like, oh, we don't have a pair, but we'll try and give you something that kind of looks similar. These two, which are both fully non-magnetic. But again, I do not believe them to be anything that's marked with an S. I don't know. This one, it is very well made, but it's sure just a costumey piece. Pretty. This is enamel work. I believe it's that kind of Indian wedding jewelry that Gina was talking about. A nice pendant. Decent condition for its age. And then this one, I cannot figure out. Looks like there's a screw that holds this into place, but I don't know what this is. And the whole thing, like this outside part, is non-magnetic. So if you all can help me out and let me know what that is, I would be greatly appreciative. All right, we still have some really cool stuff to look at. This is a really pretty necklace, and I'm gonna leave it as is, but I do think I'm gonna restring it. I mean, as is, like, I'm not changing the beads out or switching anything. This is really pretty, really sparkly. And all the findings are really good quality. Really good condition. Very nice. We've got some little crystal-y, stony pieces. This one is really long, and all of these are partially non-magnetic. This is a good, close to 2 feet. Does have some wear to it, but it's really nice. Little pink opaque crystals. This one is really sweet. This little dangler, little dangly one. Isn't that sweet? Cute. Got this one in black and gold. Little baguette, emerald cut. Well, I guess those are more like baguette, not emerald cut, because they have sharp corners. Very nice, very good condition. This is just a chain, and I think this one is stainless. Really nice. Okay, here's some earring pairs. These look like someone handmade or altered them. These I love. They're so sweet. They're just acrylic hearts with little flowers, pink and green on them. I really love these. Some little clip-ons. They need a good clean. These are really cute. Modern enamel. I like them. This is a pair of cufflinks. These are in amazing condition. And these earrings are beautiful. Beautiful. Look at those. Stunning. And yes, I did check. They are magnetic. I did check those. I don't want these to get scratched. Oh, this one earring needs a new hook. These might be lucky. Awesome. I love them. Very cool. And oh, there was one more of those little fancy schmancy little bar necklaces. No, this is the bracelet. You're right. I'm right. I was right. Very sparkly. Just a little lobster clasp on it. Okay. These are potentially plated singles. Partially magnetic or plated things. Yeah, like maybe part of the ring was magnetic, part wasn't. This is marked 925, but it does have some magnetic pulls, so it's just plated. This would be very cheap because it's plated. No, about a 10.5. Again, just plated. That might be, no, I thought it might be 1928, but I don't think so. Okay. There's some cool things in here. Some, it's just, I'll show them to you quickly. There's a little stud. This one's kind of cute. It's kind of unique. Yes. That is the nut. Isn't that cute? Alright, that's just about it. This whole little charm is non-magnetic. Let's put these away. Alrighty, we might have to do a part 3. These are just unbranded wearable pieces. I don't care what anybody says. I like these. If they're funky and they're cute and they're in good condition, they've got a clasp. I like the vintage acrylic necklaces. This is that black glass necklace that the single sterling earring matches. We have an extra long matte hammered metal circular necklace. Cute little rainbow hair clip. I love this necklace. It's really cute. Whoops, got tangled on that. Isn't that adorable? Oh, come on. There we go. Super pretty. This bracelet is really nice. Very heavy. Oops. And it's in like new condition. It's still got the little tag on it. I love these beads. It's got a little finisher on the extender. Very cute. A little knot bracelet. This is very cute. I really like this. Very good condition. It's like new. These earrings are really sweet. This is almost a Brighton style. It's double layered. It's got those kind of Brighton-y style beads just on a cord, but it's cute. Oh, I love this one. You see how it lays? Oh, these got a little tangled up, but you get the idea. Super pretty. We've got a long key necklace. Just one of those stainless steel with a music note. Ultra long chain. These are acrylic beads. We have got, one more in here. Ultra long. A good 2 feet. It does have a clasp. Really good condition. Acrylic and wood beads. A big old chunky ring bracelet. And that, my friends, is all of the wearable stuff, wearable sellable. We'll do a quick scan of this. These are things that are gonna go in just a like a grab bag, mystery lot, by the pound jewelry. A lot of it is in really great condition. It's just not to my taste, not something I like. This is a really long, nice acrylic necklace. It's a collar necklace. Some nice bracelets, chains. Cute stuff in there. It's just not for me. This is stuff that I want to try and fix or that I like. That is a really cool ring. I love that ring. I just need to repaint the band. That's a dichroic glass ring. Very nice. There's some cool beads in here that I want to try and use. This one, just need to straighten out that tassel. Same thing. You know, just some cool stuff. Couple collar necklaces. This one's got some great beads on it. And a whole bag of single earrings. Oh, my phone's about to die. All right, I tried. This was part 2. I hope I did okay. The only thing we didn't really go through or even look at was this craft. This is something I would just put in like an all craft lot. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for sticking through. This will be the end of part 2. Sorry for the cutoff of part 1. Talk to you next time.